Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by confirming your AC series router supports OpenVPN or WireGuard and noting firmware version. Log into the router's admin page with credentials. Once done, locate the VPN or Services section. On your computer, download the VPN provider's config files, certificates, and any required keys. Make sure the account is active and you have server choices. This first step moves files onto a known device, so you can upload them to the router without interruptions. Now upload the provider files to the router's VPN client area and select the correct protocol. Enter the account username and password where prompted, then import certificates and keys. Configure DNS to the provider's recommended servers to avoid leaks and enable redirect gateway or specific route rules depending on whether you want full tunnel or split tunnel traffic. If the router offers a kill switch or firewall rule, enable it so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Save the profile and apply settings to start. Finally, verify the VPN is active by checking the router's status page and confirming the public IP matches the VPN server location. Run a DNS leak and web IP test from a device on the LAN to ensure all traffic routes correctly. If everything looks good, schedule a reboot and save a backup of the router configuration. If the VPN won't connect, first check time, certificate validity, and provider server status. If problems persist, switch to an alternate server or rollback to previous firmware.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.